Now, I like a good bubble drink just like anybody else. Difference is, me and Nara White, we buying ours. Now, yeah, Nara made that video where she made the drink inspired by Onezwa. I don't care what none of y'all say. Miss me with that. But let me set this down so I can make my point. People over here having full-blown breakdowns and alienations from their parents because they say their parents don't want to watch their children's, Gen ZX and above, I guess. Maybe some of the millennials, because y'all getting older too, don't want to watch y'all grandkids. And you think Nara gonna be over there? She done had all them damn babies, and she cooking stuff from scratch. It just ain't happening, y'all. And we need to quit playing. Onezwa over there in South Africa have been raised that way from generations to generations. By the way, I love it. I'm inspired by it. I want to come visit. Can I come visit? She got time. She ain't got the mess of dealing with what's going on in these big cities, all that. She live in a very rural area where she can go outside and find mussels and all that and pick them up and just eat them. Yeah, I think that's impressive. They ain't got all that toxicity and all that toxic stuff in their food over there. They just go outside and just sit down and eat. Nora ain't got that time. She got that brand new baby. And them other two little kids. And yeah, everything seemed perfect when they filming, but it's all kind of havoc and hell over there. Them kids running around, and ain't no telling what's going on between her and her husband, but it ain't a lot of perfectness, I tell you that. Baby crying 2, 3 in the morning. Nara over there stressed as hell. She probably got a antidepressants and all kind of nerve medication. Let's just be honest. And sitting there making boba, ladies and gentlemen, it just ain't happening.